Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add a WordPress theme. Your theme is the foundation of your website's look and feel, impacting everything from colors to layout. We will cover two primary methods for adding a theme, directly from the WordPress dashboard and by uploading a theme file. Understanding these steps is essential for anyone looking to personalize their site and ensure it performs optimally for visitors. The easiest way to add a theme is right from your WordPress dashboard. First, log in and go to Appearance, then select Themes. You will see an Add New button. Click it. Here, you can explore thousands of free themes from the official WordPress.org directory. Use the search bar or filters to find one you like. Once you've found a suitable theme, simply hover over it and click Install, then Activate to apply it to your site. If you've purchased a premium theme or downloaded one from a third-party website, you'll typically receive it as a compressed zip file. To install this, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance, then Themes. Click Add New at the top, and then select the Upload Theme button. Choose the zip file from your computer, click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate to make it live on your website. After activating your theme, it's time to make it truly yours. Head to Appearance, then Customize to access the WordPress Customizer. Here, you can adjust colors, fonts, and other visual elements with a live preview. Remember to choose a theme that is responsive, meaning it looks great on all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. For optimal performance, always optimize your images, and consider using a caching plugin to ensure your site loads quickly for every visitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.